Mean to me. Just why? This is Sterling speaking. Your video sucks. That's very me. I'm gonna like pour it. So yeah, I'll like this, but just why people mean to me. Like this person right here. If I were able to make a video of them, I would expose them because they're the worst YouTuber because they were bullying me. Now, if you saw that last video, I was really sad. It was emotional, and yeah, this is the person that's being mean to me. And when I get mad enough, I'm gonna expose them because they don't deserve to be on my channel and be mean. That's all I have to say.